Minaba in a vision, the Mehuyan say a big funeral was going on. And the Mehuyan say a year or so, not a year end this if we. The moon said because the India make us say end this if we say a year na cost to a Mehuni Kessi. Na a Kessi na end this if one also. It is not that I did not take steps. I take steps to send this message to some NDC people to tell them I am seeing a big funeral ahead of them. Well, once you sit down, it can happen. It can happen.
And to fulfill sign by
yeah.
Before the end of this year.
Probably. So it will be the way Kosher end this year. That is why I would disagree with. Because this has nothing to do with NDC. Because Muhammad did not come to power by any sacrifice. Muhammad came to power by God. Has nothing to do with the party. That is Asidun Kitia's word. The way the NPP doesn't want Muhammad to succeed them is very dangerous for this country. The kind of sacrifice they are doing, the kind of rituals they are doing against this government. If God open your eyes, you will cry for this nation. Even the Muhammad himself, they want him to die.
And you for sign that NDC for him.
Sure.
Would you for fire room sign it here?
I won't go into details, but I saw another funeral. That's all. Okay. So after Muhammad's 4 years, you will see the whole Ghana gather God's praise. The Quaker said Ghana Momompai.
Okay.
Ghana Momompai. If you say the Amihunu, if you say the Amihunu, a big hitty parliament. 2026 is not going to be death. The beginning is going to be that, but it's not going to be death as we are seeing now. It's going to be sicknesses, strange sicknesses, and it's not going to be plane crash. It's going to be sea. It's going to be ship sinking.
I was saying, celebrate your mind Ghana in what you hold with a shiny air course. I'm not gonna for air chess. I saw free so about say ever show come on. A young man for more commission in Yagonity too, and they say a fear so much as the 1st December. Now I have push sorry them not a sophomore, Eddie Semana may Eddie Adamo Edino air to Jano. Ghana for air chess, a banner sandy air quaidi. I'm young say a sophomore, a woman part and a woman can see some kind of say, and my found commission in Yago cry. Now, Prophet Boshaba ever shem come edify. NDC for one at watcher say a Cassia be at the NDC for any Mabusania no qua was sign as she come edify Kotoko ya watcher say Macha a Dakotoko and Nimuno Ebelusu. I will say a year coincidental, say any coincidental no, and commission in album and then Saka Prophet Bosheba a woman Chewa, yet no baby didn't come with the son say a day and no fast so do you quite best to come do ye. Say no no, now for who you naturally then or you found then 1 year for wins no, your kind in it's me album. Come on. For Pabana answer and make I will say a too much GH. So won't subscribe to my source if I couldn't so. Let me subscribe to Mr. Pachemi. A yak I saw the bell on the account and a banner upload to on the first person. Ya was a bit can Kabusa come home. Nemo differ Cabas and Mcana for in Kum. Odi for more Quaba.
It does say, Minerva.
Papa baby, I
don't cry more.
Amen. Odi for answer na ye be kon komo so no o de ye nkohwe video na wo kan ye de fa NDC phone say ye bi da wo mu ni no e de kotokode no ye nkohwe ma ye ba na fe ye ba bi de komo tebusia ka me ho ne nkohwe video na wo di fo e kan ye say yi kase bi e da NDC phone ani ma fe kotokon so de ne se ne wo se kan no nyina no me nkohwe ba ye ba bi di komo ba ye ko ya me se komo ne koso no o do comment be fa se ho aba
giving this prophecy from right after the election say 2025 Parliament in the year, we're going to be a lot of by-elections. Before the 4 years will come to an end, there'll be another 4 by-elections. And the sword has been lifted again. In Nipa for me who are office, 2026. The first one, Makachiro, Vice President Nanaji. Second one, IGP, Yohono. And the third one, the new CJ, Bafo Bonnie. Some go for me as a way. 2026, I'm not seeing them in the office. They nearly killed the vice president. We gave the prophecy, they were joking with it. Senyese intervention a bit more. Komuluzu vice president. I hear na the green book by and I'm a kind say, as I'm mind we ye kesia ebekoso. Tell me kind of be see you. Na Mr. Santiman we ye kesia dia eba. And I saw a big funeral in the Ashanti Kingdom. And then ebekoso. Thank you. Commission matrato in this green book efa apostle Joseph any pay ba kwa bisa account no ni nyina wa ha now you see apostle Joseph de ni wo kan wa do hu nsem ho ba so bit me akan ya
okay I saw the whole Crystal Asafo Church
Yes.
and Kantanka group
Mm-hmm.
in a big funeral, and when I looked,
Yes.
I saw Apostle Kojosafo going on a path.
Yes.
When I asked him where is
he going?
Mm-hmm. He said, my work has come to an end, so I'm going to the other side.
I'm going to the other side.
And I saw him cross a river.
Yes.
And the man is gone.
That is it. Then we come to Mpachome Mudio.
Okay.
Mr.
I saw the waving the people of Ghana.
A prophecy about Nana Jane. The prophecy I give since 2021. So Obeba Beye vice president, but she won't finish her term. That prophecy is still there. It will still come to pass. At 2026,
okay,
I don't see her in the office. NDC must rise up and pray. I am seeing another big funeral coming.
I was saying, I'm a video no yakwa shaba yanko difo ni yanko jinko wodifo yakwa video no aba na beba kwa afa so de hu na wo kan na me ni kan emisa se asem ni si no hu se no wa hyenkom se ayi bi dan disifo na o hwe kwan se wona bi fra bana.
Well, ye be dan yankopon se na ye de aseda mo bo ade yankopon se wo hu ye mobo na wo ma de pa bi a che Remember, in a vision, a big funeral was going on.
Okay.
I expect the people to come and ask me. I will want to know the details of what you are talking about. But once the people will not come, I also leave it there.
Okay.
I leave it there for time. Then it will tell what will happen. And say a year or so.
Okay.
Na iye no ye NDC for ye. Na mo say because the entire make say ye NDC for ye ne say iye na ekoso a me hu na yi kese. Na yi kese na say na NDC for na do so. Na edom no ye NDC for. Na NDC for flags na enenamo.
Okay.
When I me say no, another big funeral
is coming.
It's coming.
It's specifically well who say eye mami ya.
Yes, I know, but I didn't talk about it.
Okay, now wouldn't say mami ya.
I didn't talk about it.
Odifo wo ka se wo hu bibi sa na wo kan ya na wo hwe kwan se obi bebe on wo bisa wo se senate na bia kwanchi bo ho na wo de ama. Wo hu ne sa na wo hu edom na wo hu ayie no wo se definitely ye wo bi na ebekoso. Na wo ntimi nya hwe nso ano afi wo hwe se wo mmra wo no e de nti na nya maybe bi kire wa wo twen se nipa no emra wo kwa wo nim se ye ye na kakra no I be konunti na womra ana favor bi an opportunity bi na wo hwente na wo ba na wo nyoma trade bi dem ye say the boam amoso be say dem am.
Well, I think in our days, the prophetic has been taken for granted. Too much of the things we do, which people are taking for granted. And I thought that some of the things, you see, if the prophecy comes, you won't necessarily to an amount. You won't necessarily to an amount.
Okay.
I've given the prophecy. Imagine, we have a lot of people in this life, millions of people. And then you will not take a step. God said, I won't talk about this person, I won't talk about a nation, and God speaks specifically about you. Do you have to joke with it?
Okay. Do you
have to joke with it? This is not the first prophecy I'm giving that, they sit down and it happens. We're here, Nana Jendi. We're here. I gave the prophecy, they were joking with it. I gave a prophecy. The plane crash, they were joking with it. We were here when it happened. You see, even I gave you some message to show that it is not that I did not take step. I take step to send this message to some NDC people to tell them I am seeing a big funeral ahead of them. And prayer have to be done.
Okay.
Yes. So when you say you want to and you come also, you can't answer yanka. That is it. So when we talk, should we come and force you?
Okay.
Do you know we even go to people's office for what we have seen and try to see them or send a message to them and they take it for granted because they think we need something from them?
Odifo me say ye maami die na eye ye hu ye kese ye hu ye utu anamo bi fa hu o se ne o ka se bo a mo try but o mo fa mo serious no we no o try ye o ye se o ne mpinifo be kasa o ye se o bi twene ndisi mpinifo bi na konya na amba na
Well, as a matter of fact, I know that when I send a message, whoever has received the message should take a step.
Okay.
So that's it. I will not give you a message and still be forcing you. So when I send a message, whoever has received the message, and then people be what asem no, it says, oh no need to animal.
Okay. No.
So I leave it there.
Sure. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Odi for afie munye.
Yeah, we have said it before the beginning of the year, so this is not a surprise.
Ewu a esisi wo Ghana afie no, ewu a anu
yes.
Ewu no oti ana ate wonsu no. Oti pe na oyema show na wo sina.
That is not the end. Another big one is hanging before. You know, so
Odi for ma no kra ka ho. Ne Ghana ye wi nyina chi esa be hu bi.
Well, once you sit down, it can happen. It can happen.
And to fufu sign baby.
Yeah.
Before the end of this year.
Probably.
Until you hear from. And I wish nipa ni so no kasa to na mo ba.
Well, there are certain things, the Biamite use Hezekiah as an example. Are you getting me? Hezekiah emie punama Azaya. Nkadi nyame pese o kanchere Azaya kanchere ngondimi ankanchere. Are you getting me? Ufi say Azaya eba ye na Hezekiah say misika na ope, film na ope, bibi na ope film ho. And one fan na dwene amana. Nkobi deliver message na man.
Okay.
But isi ano say Hezekiah nya esuchi ema odifuo no. Eki di nyame di ama no. Say ye boni o, say ye papa o ye so beti a. Woni nyame ko di mpuni nti no. Ebe mu anasam nyame dane we.
Okay.
Are you getting me? And God spoke to the prophet again. Go and tell him you won't die. I've added 15 years. The same prophet, no different prophet. The same prophet that brought the prophecy, the same prophet God has sent him again.
Okay.
So when God gives a prophet a message, some of the messages there are conditions. Some of them there is no condition. There were conditional prophecy and unconditional. This one, God can show you something and say this one will happen. There's nothing you can do about it. Yes. God can choose and say this one, if they do this and do this and do this, this one will happen because this is not my will. This is the will of the agenda of the devil. Until they are harmful agenda, no. Nyami to be known one country. But then Nyami say, you know, there's nothing you can do about it. Unless you plead or negotiate with God.
Odifo, a way by yatete commission bebre. Ghana for kasa bebre dia fam. Come here say NDC party no. Afi ewu aba no wo no masofa ne kese pa.
Yeah.
Ebi di ewu no share sacrifices be a cause so ansa no mo win power. Ebi di ewu no so share wo mo a pray to me within the party. Ebi so say ye papa former president Jerry John Rawlings so who ye no next month na 5 years.
Yeah.
And na ye so dey film this month.
Yeah.
Inti a connection be between ono ne kunu no and ne kunu abefa ne deko. Odi fo me misa say ewo ye ba ye nkofri mu because omo a ehu maame ne kura kire say bibie ne wo kire say maame no ba be wo nyare ne ho ye den. Ye former president John Ejekun Kufuor kura kire say ohu no ade be che mo de wo no ni na ko hia wa so maame ne kura bi say ono say ne ho tesen e mo say ne ho ye. Kofi Adam say oh a day before oba be wu no maame ne kura ko obi yi ase. Ne ho ye one ne ba ne nyina ne koye entino na obi a expect say maame ne ba be fi mu hiro sa e na ba course no ye den it is up fi mu we by.
Well, I don't know the cause, but it can be many things.
It be a day.
It can be many things. It can be many things. It can be say e nyame nhihye.
Okay.
It can be say e ye nemre na so.
Okay.
It can be say obi so na ye na boni. Are you getting me? It can be say bibia e cause in the past and a trigger another arrow. So there can be many, but so will be the way Kosher NDC. That is why I would disagree with, because this has nothing to do with NDC. No, it has nothing to do with a sacrifice of BA.
Okay.
Because Muhammad did not come to power by any sacrifice. Muhammad came to power by God.
Okay.
In Yamian Kasa Nesemedena Ba. In Yamin Edena Ba. Now wouldn't say in your meeting Mahama.
Okay.
Now say Mama Nankasa Yam Nafa Kobeku. Eh?
Okay.
Mama Nankasano, Yamin the one found who sent Kobeku Mukunache. So it has nothing to do with somebody's power.
Okay.
When the adversary is against you, you must know that the adversary is against me.
So one more I can say, sacrifice cry, even if lives cry, but sacrifice no and found.
That is his word. Has nothing to do with the party. That is a Sidunke's word. It has nothing to do with Mahama. Because the Mahama I know, and the Mahama I have seen, and the Mahama we have prayed for, and the Mahama that God has brought is a different person. He did not come by any malam or any sacrifice. Bia or koye wo baby anase bibia e koso wo baby. Nemmum nyame ankasa na se mede neba.
Ano de ne buy. And ya fe ya de nyame de ne buy na na pension no we na esisi wo na pension.
No, there are things you cannot stop. Na nyame ntumi ma wa de mo bi nje frozen.
Okay.
Obi a wonya tofu wo no, nyame na ma na nkwa. Nyame na ebo no. Ade no bitumi ku obi.
Enti one more I can say every mampini a what is John Dramani Mahama. The if we beka say Ghana sign ko fani baby mu a amane ni o hawa beba Ghana so na nya ade a ye rebet me afida.
It has nothing to do with that.
Okay.
It has nothing to do with that. Ade bi si bibi o na bi si a. Wo na sese wo tu wana mo. Wo na sese wo kose no. Ade ya AC Bible say emre bi du Israel emre so no. Na ekoma atisi Israel for so no mu bi da Bible say come to Israel for so ma omu so nyina ye dry omu no ba nyina say ye omu no nyina buwu ye edu baby ma na nkofo e contemplate so be yomba are you getting me? Okay. Bible say na edu David address what David ye hene e course for 3 years e started free Saul emre so e be twice wo David emre so for 3 years. The Bible said then David here. David went to the mountain to inquire from the Lord. Why from this? What is happening to us? If you sit down, it will continue. It David or people who could be saying Bible said David inquire from the Lord. What is happening? Why from this famine? What is happening to us? We are dying. Even say David, they are air so. Because Saul has killed a Gibeonite. But because of a covenant, he was not supposed to kill a Gibeonite. So the Gibeonites have used their deity. Imra Israel Yame mind. Gibeonites use deity to inflict this thing upon them. Because they are broken. Saul has done something that is something not to do.
Okay.
Now Israel Yame ma. Then Yame mind. Yame ankase Israel Yame mind. But Gibeonite, it will be Israel's aboni. Because of what they saw, And then you make catch the David say, so person I deal with you. Then every man in Saul's house to be given to the Gibeonite to slay.
So, therefore, could it be sending ACC NDC for party when you airway would be a share?
That is it. It could happen that the adversary don't want you to succeed. The adversary want to paint your image black. Yeme sisi. Nyankase mama pension na wisi.
Is it not say bibia na ye attribute to say will be na na ama ye ja the main cause no ho. Na ye show.
I don't know natural that is will be na ye. Anything that is not natural, it means somebody is doing it. Yes. Na ye choba we mu. No kuku dam, it's not a plane crash, helicopter crash, and you say, because
in fairness, I need because I say, and yet, why
the adversary, they must know. When I say, Mama's government is under attack, under a demonic attack, they should continue joking. They should continue joking and not go to prophet who help them and surround themselves with people who just need something from them. Who will not tell them this is a problem, this is where it's coming from, this is what you must do, this is where you must go. People who are working with you with their stomach.
I
am not sure. They are not giving them any direction. Yes.
For then who say man penny 1 year sabre ya to range me if you back on a community.
And you message by this time the only. I have spoken enough. My child says he's saying because too much. Because a word to a wise is enough.
As an old year will be there, Cassan.
No. I am not doing what you see. One thing you must study about me is that when I'm doing something, I'm not doing it for man. I am doing it for God. Because what some individuals have done for me, government cannot do for me.
Okay.
Are you getting me? Many politicians have individuals. There are individuals here, no politician has done it for me before. Are you getting me? No. No. So the fact that you have politicians doesn't mean that you succeed. Doesn't mean that the fact that they are close to you, they are doing that doesn't mean that they will be giving you the money. No. Unless Nipa are using Anthony, a deceiving Nipa. But I have refused to say what God has not sent me to say. And I refuse to use my gift to exploit anybody. I won't do it. But I will give my message as God lives.
Send ye and 24 send ye water on him, what would Jan and Unia home? Ain't send Yamina small. Send Yamina Suma.
Send Yamina Tammy.
In Yamina small.
I have given my message. So I have given my message.
Say Jaya, someone to me say Minya who should be.
Who say to me, Yamaka, Professor Yan Commission Masanko, Yan Piboma Sanko. Into one Yamia catcher say Jaya. I am asking you. Do you know that it goes somewhere? Jeremiah was praying for some people. God says, stop praying for these people. I won't listen.
Into the phone, Yamia catcher say Jaya. Okay.
Now, in that context, God has not told me that. No.
Okay.
But imagine. Yes, yes. You can pray for somebody, God says, I won't answer. That is why most people go to people, they pray for them, the prayer is no answer. What to make bomb palm of Binyamisa me answer? What to make shake come of Binyamisa where they answer question?
What you come no.
Yes. So imagine you are fasting for somebody, night prayers for somebody, whilst they are sleeping and they are not honoring your word. Will you continue? Will you continue if it is you?
No.
So when God gives me the message, I will release it. Pam, I leave it there. If you like, take it. If you like, leave it. Time will tell.
Send him day can 5 years ago and a Nikunu Koye. It's a fake one and come was one come here sure say next month and unka or best celebrating Nikunu 5 years.
Yeah.
And a full fian to water and a woman so.
Yeah.
Ebusiano. And then was some way. 5 years be a quack ye be the Abusiana.
No. The children are safe.
Oh, we say
they are okay. That's all.
And to say I will be a 2 year intimate count.
No, Kolani okay. Nothing will happen to anyone. It has nothing to do with them.
Okay.
They will fulfill their days, that's all. They should be prayerful. That's all.
A woman saying this before now, so fast a year because you know, now so before so I'm on change your fresh this almost so the one be a soon a bit just and the air coso a wolf MPP full moon a year near the end this for a nation a church and no more yes and end this 4 days so MPP in a church and a woman yana.
Well, I don't know, but when 2 people are doing their things, we leave them. So that's it. We so we. But I can tell you, the way the NPP doesn't want Mahama to succeed is very dangerous for this country. The rate at which they are going, the kind of sacrifice they are doing, the kind of rituals they are doing against this government. If God open your eyes, you will cry for this nation.
It
is something they are doing. Yes, on primary assembly.
It's a private never them for.
No. Yes. They don't want the government to succeed because government will succeed and they will be in opposition for long. That is the agenda. government will perform na bibia koyi na Ghana for ji omutum Ghana for beka se mo de mo kra de mo ba mo mere
Odifo se saa dia senka e bia economic hardship na ke bi hu e bia nka dum so beba anka like economy ni una kasa na.
But do you know the things they are doing?
Why lives?
Do you know the things they are doing?
Se obi wu e be benefit we ye mami we se en benefit for ze nyom na na bom.
Do you know the things they are doing?
Okay.
Everything can affect you. You think helicopter crash affect NDC? Do you think it's affect NDC?
Yeah, affect NDC.
Up to now, we are not getting replacement for those people. You think it is just like that?
Okay.
Yes. Whatever will affect you is what will happen. Yes. That is what I still say. It is not just about this person, this, even the Muhammad himself, they want him to die.
Okay, Bibi said David inquire from the Lord.
Yes.
John Drummond, Mama, also said a brass or set on fan who could see and could share Radin.
Or as a share Radin concerning what is going on. Why my days? Why my time? God, I need an answer. You must look for a prophet that see into the deep and inquire.
Oh, a deep which and who shall.
Oh, you think so?
Oh, different now. Oh, different.
Well, I'm not saying it. If he had prophets, what is happening wouldn't happen. That are steps they wouldn't have taken.
As anything for no much on a mombia, and yana mompa.
Yes. Sometimes they go astray. Sometimes I look at them. Where they are going, God say, no, look at them. Look at what they are doing. I just watch.
Abibiana me kase konfuboni o se kuro ni mo ne ba wotimu bi odifo ne ba yi akame aka waka ga na nyina enti eya na wo hu ni sa na as odifo a wo ye adwuma de ma mampeni John Drama ne mahama no mese be se biem se eya wotu na mo bi de ko se wo try se obeben no ubenya access ubeka asem no na wo mo ma kwan na se wo nye no ane se wo te ho twen se bia wo makasa mbra.
I won't force myself to have access with anybody. I will never do that. Because God did not send me for that. Say, be a men and make up pray. Oba Benny. Men and make up pray, send me access to somebody. Do you know how they will see you?
Okay.
We are living in a country where they don't honor people. And away from my one.
Oh, says I be my boss or the amam.
Away from my
one. Say munya de send be munya prophet.
Even that place they are playing games there.
Almost cards.
Yes. Even when this one come, we won't talk about this one. Even when this one come, this one is not in our group. This one is for these prophets. This one is for these people. So even when you are talking about.
Oh, sir.
Yes.
Only so for become
I'm telling you. I'm telling you.
Only spiritual father won't come.
And yes, spiritual fathers, and there is a camp.
Then there's so for week into there's a one camp near the lane or so for week.
Are you getting me?
Okay.
When you win the part.
It's wouldn't send any part.
It's a room for one battle. Your voice won't go there. Your voice won't go anywhere. When they come, they fold it, throw it away. And you expect me, God has given me prophecy to take it to such an office. I've told you I will never do that and I won't do it. Because God didn't give me message to go and give to somebody. God has given me message to say.
Odi for what say kase kese ba ko san nam kwa so ayeba. Ye beba ho ne be bisa se kese ne firi hin na eba na ye san akọ busia ye san ko he odi for ne second video ye no so wo kan ye e de fa kotokofo ho na wo kire se kotokofo ebedi gugu ampa ye ko bobo ni wie na kotokofans no omufufo nyina aka dem moment mi eni me ko sa video ne mai ba ye ne so fo ato aso odi for ye be wie na ye be wie no ye san ko ne de sha ase no se wo kan se kotokofo bi hu.
Yeah.
Woman me who and so be who na it could go by.
Oman me who me. Nobody called me.
E bi se wo kan sa na say ma wa Nyankopon wo di nyame adwuma na ye se ne tin askoto wo ombe hu sa no wonye de.
There was a direction I had to give them. Because not to me and go for no dey ba no. You cannot go and fight somebody who is stronger than you. You are going to fight somebody who is stronger than you and you just want to go.
E bi je say we na kotoko defense na enye ko hye bia na.
Wait, do you know we can guard a pole? A pole.
Oh, that is
a pole will not enter.
Defense in your crown.
Yes. A pool can be guard. Say bronza obi to me. Who can say? You know, sometimes there are goalkeepers. Coach ball the baby to pon. What ball no said in room? Oh, ball no said then in room. Now one video be there sending me a message. Minyaba. Na video no. And go for na bo shot ni dey rap on him. Send the keeper no. Ya chichiri sumo bi amana. Wo dey atopo no. And na striker no hu ye say ade bi da ho no ko fine no dibrika. And mo chase no. Wo dey ade no ko twetwe ye no within 1 minute no mo shego. So if Satan can do it, do you think God cannot do it?
I will say, I'm a sign that was so in your brain. I did actually video no earlier. Coffee by said it before she come no at the far to go for who.
Yeah. And there will be a problem on who
What am I saying? Chess all me super.
Because I'm call credit bear worse.
Acquire worse.
Yes. Listen to the prophet. Bible said, believe in God, and you shall be established. Believe in the prophet, and you shall prosper. So, as long as you don't believe in the prophet, you will continue facing what you are facing. Yes. Because when the prophets speak, God has spoken. It is final. I think we are making. I'm a country where I cry. Medical Kumasi, Angel FM. Now, Angel FM, no Kumasi, Angel FM, live on live radio. I'm a host in Ukraine. I'm a program. I'm a big crowd. Some say, hey, na Kumasi na wana awokasa sa no. When I'm say, what to Kumasi na awokasa we busy kotoko busy. Are you getting me? But I'm saying what I'm saying. I say you will lose here when you go there to be worse.
A brand na enso farm up to some be shiny ana.
Oh, Debbie. One am body soon more. Young one am near the
and your performance na work.
No. You can play a bad game but win a match.
Okay.
What did I say?
You can play a bad game. Bet me a bobo bonny.
That is it.
Now so
go. Bet me a bobo na won't go.
I love the Karim Cruiser to go na yafife.
That is it. See, at the end of it, this as a one we win here. We miss as a one a bobo. That's all. So it is just to win, not to play. That's all. Look for somebody who make you win. Period. That is the end of the matter.
Odi for this what can say the NSNK players no mu here train no mu here say na nya sunsun mu ni pe bi taye chia no aye nyema man na ewili match nka no ano.
Oh Debbie, yenya na sir. You must do your part, God will do his part. Okay. Who are from there say we. Na sunsun no. Nyame so aye na dia. Timin kase, you can't say my cobom pie or say me pay without certificate. No, it doesn't work like that. You must follow the rules. The Bible says, though you go to a war with the horses and the chariot, but victory will come from God. At the link, you mean say victory feel me or banny the chariot and the horses echo. Then came from to Finian and says, I'm going to say victory is from God.
Okay.
But we must go with the chariot and the horses. But we must have it in mind that this is not what will give us victory. Victory will come from God. So Kotoko heard it. They didn't listen. It has happened. That's all.
Mama Lusu.
Asa. Selling your some kind.
Odi for Kotoko, I will league your chances home to say.
Oh, Kotoko. And then in answer. Time no so make answer.
Yeah, sign share. What I say.
I know who win the league though.
You for sign that NDC for my woman.
Sure.
Odi for fire room, sign it here.
I won't go into details, but I saw another funeral. That's all.
Odi for.
Yeah. And it's still in NDC.
Why NDC?
I don't know.
Now why was it we na say na jana ye boni o se obi anya boni na we NDC na boni mampini na boni o minor na boni adent na NDC amanyo.
I say the adversaries against them, they should rise up. As the daughters of Zion arose, Bible said they broke their yoke. Isaac catch Esau. was saying no me we dead also. But so be continuing which me then. Which me you know me then. Thank you. It will be the no me tools who continue one now which me. You want continue one a better also. I get me.
Okay.
You can't sit down now no me any so no. Because will be na dia tools. A spell and you cast your tools.
Okay.
Because it's always continue one and no me the yoke shall be broken.
Okay. That
is it. As for, I tell you, but some people, there are some people, they are, if you are expecting them to fail, you lie. Because we are holding them with the arms of God.
Okay.
There are some people in this government, if you are expecting them that something will come from their side, because some of us, we have them in our hands. Yes, okay. I pray for him. I'm an intercessor. I pray for him all the time.
Okay.
I pray for president all the time.
Okay.
But the people I'm talking about, there are some people two of them I won't mention their name because they are my private weapons. But when you talk of Ato Force,
okay,
I am holding him strongly. When you talk of Sami Jenfi, I'm holding him strongly. When you talk of Amwako Hene, I'm holding him strongly. Basin Tali, I am holding him very strongly. When it comes to Kujoto Abrakwa, when it comes to Haruna Idiso, I can mention the people that there is no day that passes without me laying hands on them on my prayer altar. Yeah. Yes. Before you see somebody performing, there is something going on behind the scene.
Okay.
Are you getting me? Before you see something going on, there is another thing behind the scene. There is somebody on the altar that is making you see what you are seeing.
And yes, a woman bits near you in the mood to know
No.
Okay.
No. Nah, you be the mood or they be the mood to change woman. Are you getting me?
Okay.
Are you getting me? I deal with president of nations.
Okay.
Only the mood to change presidents. I am African president or Mama Bibia no or Mojonehono. Are you getting me? It is not about where they are. I have prophesied before they are where they are today. Time on opposition or money or Namimi Shanko. Or buyers and Amishanko.
Okay.
I have prophesied most of them. Sami Jenfi, Okudito Abrakwa, Haruna Idisu, Basentali, all of them, most of them. I have prophesied where they are today before they came to power. And then I make come as them. I've given prophecy where everybody, this one will be here, this one will be here, this one will go here, this one, before they came to power. Why they were not in power? Are you getting me?
Okay.
David, today, if you are in the palace, don't forget where God took you from. Don't forget that you were once in the village. You were once where you were first. Remember where you are coming from. Remember where God took you from. Remember that you were in the wilderness. Nobody cared about you. Nobody want to talk to you. You were rejected. Today you are in the palace. Don't forget.
Okay. That will be in this case. Why not David? Why need David? I want the money.
Don't forget. I've spoken. Don't forget.
David,
Don't forget.
David, when this,
Don't forget.
Okay. Saturday, your October, November, December,
yeah.
So far, you must have to any gun,
no, but any gun, any pa, any gun, any pa, Yamini, Dini,
Afi,
Miname catch on
Yamini,
yes, Yamini, Dini. Your town for no yeno, Emuyabem, Yamini, Dini.
Okay.
So that's here.
Okay.
Yamini, Dini.
Okay.
The fastest I see a pie, I'm a bit more. I'm many of them doesn't show say, Yami and Fabi and Duke and do Boshas. So that's here. Or the big trap call. The fact say it be a came on the way doesn't mean that God has not been good.
Okay,
doesn't mean that God has not been good.
I feel more a sign for the
a sign. That's all. That is it.
Okay.
That is it. But Christmas we go for big dinner.
Can be said, dear, you must come here to Bunya, Bunya, Bay, yet there for you. We are not
going to be dead. When I'm a cousin, Bunya Bay dead.
Cash of town.
Oh, Bunya Bay dead. When I'm experiences is here. I bet there, Papa.
Odifo.
Because I'm celebrating before you get there.
Okay.
There are men who pass where you are going. People have already entered into 2026. People have entered into 2027, 2028, 2029. People are in 2040. You are now thinking of entering 2026. Yes. And they are manipulating the systems before you get there. People are already changing things before you get there. People are already seeing what will happen in that days before you come there.
2026. Well,
2026 is going to be a very good year for the country. Okay. That is where investors are going to come in. That's why there's going to be more employment. 2026 is going to be a year where I see, Ghana, the economy of Ghana, being in a very good shape. Now, who say Ghana for any G? Diana na ewu 2026. I feel the ensure me di guasi. So that's here. 2026 me be who say Diana for failure.
Okay.
But 2026, one thing you must pray against is sickness.
Yeah,
yes. 2026 is not going to be death. The beginning is going to be that, but it's not going to be death as we are seeing now. It's going to be sicknesses, strange sicknesses. And it's not going to be plane crash. It's going to be sea. It's going to be ships sinking.
2020.
It's going to be waves. It's going to be storms, especially in America, Europe, many countries. Floods. Yeah. So also the need now. You do what you can was it.
How do you say was a feed up by media?
The can was a Ghana be yes. If what I'm saying is being fulfilled by the 4 years of John Dramani Mahama, Ghana will have no option than to praise God.
Okay.
Because the Lord told me that if all these things is fulfilled, when Mahama has finished all this righteousness that I'm showing unto you in the vision, I've already prophesied what they will do in the first year, second year, third year, and then the fourth year. He said, when all these things are fulfilled, Ghana will gather and then give God his praise. Okay. So after Mahama's 4 years, you will see the whole Ghana gather God's praise.
Asha say no your man penny buy na hope no wo na vem no wo sro, especially when dollar started say tiba for rise any ade na petrol bar for afi all of a sudden petrol no cost so dollar na sign pija
ni me tell the ntie pija
afi wo ni ade ntie akame esa say e be just sabre NDC ziu na Ghana fo nya de to aba ma NDC no
no, spiritually. No, spiritually there were things that were going on. Spiritually, I told you why the dollar was going up. I told you why fuel was going up and all that. We have heard it again. Yes, and so I must say, yes, also go back to the altar for those things. I've gone back to the altar for those things.
Okay.
So we will see the dollar, standing again. I told you when we were on the altar for the dollar was 10 cities that about. Then, when we left certain things, it jumped to 13 cities and almost going up. But when we come back, we just wanted to test the water and see who is the holder.
Now what you're ready to credit words what?
That's all.
What do you for the cracker?
The cracker is a Ghana Momon Pie.
Okay.
Ghana Momon Pie. If you say the Amihunu, if you say the Amihunu, a big Haiti parliament.
Okay.
The Amihunu is here. It will be NDC, a big Haiti parliament. Yes.
Parliament be.
A big Haiti parliament. It will be a blow. And I saw the one who was sitting there, an eagle, pick him. And the second became the one sitting there. As I saw in the vision.
Member, what can your parliament or member of parliament?
I won't go into details of it. So say you can't go for picking up. One more day near Mantino. You share your pocket. If you like, come for it. We'll put it in our pocket. We'll guard what God has given us. We'll honor. If you not honor us, we'll honor our gift.
As the day you do prophecy.
Does the devil dance of the good?
Okay.
Or say for no you papa biana. Or you papa. Or time for no oya Your enemy, the adversary, is going about looking for somebody to do what? To devour.
No,
yes, sanity. Yame wone die, or time for so yene die. God planned good things. The devil also planned bad things. Yes. Enti, Omano Mompire ma parliament. That's all. Omano, your Mompire ma parliament. By parliament also, here anamuntu, spiritual anamuntu.
Okay.
So that's it. Okay. I think we'll go into a message I've sent across.
Okay.
And then you read that message for us.
Okay. The date is Sunday, 7th September.
That okay, this should tell you that any plane crash we are saying all that. We are September. Plane crash next is August. We are September. And now main message said this is what is going to happen. Okay, what was the message?
So I'm marking where the green line is.
Thank you. Yes.
Another big funeral is about to happen in the NDC.
Thank you.
They have to pray.
Thank you.
Okay.
Another big funeral is about to happen in the NDC. They have to do what?
Pray. There's a woman mom pie.
Emra yechi Peter Koshi prison. Then Emma Yami Peter free prison. Nyam paibo. Nyam paibo. Emma yesi yekokun James. Omo mom pie yekun James. Omo ntua na munti yekun James. Na emra na hero sabechi Peter. Bible say eyenkofo no de. Na omo sori yede. Ebom paye. Ni nyame somaye abofo momunko yi Peter. Are you getting me?
Yeah.
That is why I said they should do what?
Pray.
Pray.
Okay.
They should do what?
Pray.
Pray.
Amen. I will say and every man kwame me dey come training na esi ye ne prophet worshipper in the din ko message so do comment the comment section ho e dey amame all the social media handles say too much gh all subscribe no like no share na afofo so enye bia hwe me din e the dark gold essential.